welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxy charm. I'm super excited to see what I got in this box. I honestly don't remember what is in it, so we will see. I'm gonna cut it open. Okay. Let's see what we got. Little price card. Right. Oh, I did get Big Ego. I was hoping I was gonna get this mascara to try it out, but I got it, so I'm super stoked. Open sesame. I'm so excited. Like, almost everything in this is pink, and my favorite color is pink. We're gonna open this. I will probably use it. Not right now, obviously, but probably in the morning. I like it. The brush looks like better than sex. I'm so excited to try this. That's what the little picture on the back looks like. So this retails for $23. So I'll let you guys know if this works well or not in a video, but I'm so excited I got this. Alright, next I got Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow, and I got a gold and a pink one. And these are $25. I think they come together, so because it says duo. This is really soft. It kind of reminds me of the consistency of Color Pops. And now it's all more matted down, but that's the first color. This is pretty. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. Everything's pink. But those are the eyeshadow colors. They're so pretty. Okay, next. From Wander Beauty, the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And this retails for $42. So that is that. It's so cute and pink. Next, I got this Steve Laurent Chic regular eyeliner, lip liner. Okay. I was like, what is this? You can never have too much lip liner, in my opinion. I'm like obsessed. So it's a nice nude color. Get a good size swatch of that. Looks darker in this, but it's super cute. Well, it's pretty dark actually. So a dark nude, like a brown. And then this Becca. Oh yay, I got the pale one. I got the, I have no idea what color this is, but it is the pale one. So yeah, and then that is $39. So everything in this box retails for
$39 plus $42 plus $23 plus $25 plus $15.
So it's $144 for this box, which is pretty good. I got some pretty great stuff in it. Everything's pretty much pink. I'm super into it. All this pink stuff. And then these. So I'm super excited to try all this stuff, and I'll let you guys know if that mascara is bomb or not. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye guys!